Welcome back to the channel where we're diving into the exclusive world of high net worth individuals and exploring the discreet strategies they use to grow and preserve their wealth. Now, you might think they have some secret playbook filled with complex financial instruments and offshore accounts, but the truth is far more interesting than that. We're going beyond the typical stocks and bonds and uncovering the unique investments that truly set the ultra-rich apart. Think about things like priceless paintings hung on the walls of their Malibu mansions, first-edition comic books locked away in climate-controlled vaults, or even stakes in revolutionary tech startups that could be the next Google. So if you're ready to peek behind the curtain of wealth and discover the unconventional assets that millionaires and billionaires use to diversify their portfolios, buckle up, hit that subscribe button, and let's get started. Now, let's be real. When we think of investments, we usually picture stocks, bonds, maybe some real estate. But the ultra-rich, they often see opportunity in a very different light. Literally. I'm talking about investing in art and rare collectibles. You see it all the time in movies, a wealthy tycoon with a Picasso in their living room. But it's not just about aesthetics, it's a strategic financial play. Think about it, a one-of-a-kind piece of art, a rare vintage car, a first-edition comic book. These things aren't just cool to own, they often appreciate in value over time, sometimes significantly. Take the example of Jeff Bezos, the Amazon titan. He's known to be a big art collector and reportedly dropped a cool $50 million on a single painting. Now, I know what you're thinking, Natalia. I don't have $50 million for a painting. And you're right, neither do I. But the point is, you don't need to be a billionaire to get in on the action. There are platforms out there that allow you to invest in fractional shares of fine art, kind of like buying a tiny piece of a masterpiece. Then you've got the world of rare collectibles, vintage watches, rare stamps, even Pokemon cards. Remember that first edition Charizard? Turns out that little piece of cardboard can be worth a small fortune. The key here is to do your research, understand the market, and look for items with historical significance or a dedicated collector base. But here's the thing, investing in collectibles isn't just about hoping that old baseball card will make you rich. It's about owning a piece of history, a tangible asset that tells a story. And that, my friends, is something that even the most volatile stock market can't replicate. It's about the thrill of the hunt, the satisfaction of finding that hidden gem, and the potential for these assets to appreciate in value over time, becoming a legacy you can pass down. But remember, like any investment, it's not without risk. Markets can fluctuate, tastes can change, so it's crucial to do your due diligence, diversify your portfolio, and invest wisely. Now let's talk about something that's been making waves in the financial world, cryptocurrency. Yes, it's volatile, yes, it's complex, but it's also a space where fortunes are being made, especially by those who are early adopters. And guess what? The ultra-rich, they were some of the first to jump on the crypto train. Take Elon Musk, for instance. His tweets alone can send the price of Dogecoin soaring, and Tesla's investment in Bitcoin made major headlines. But it's not just about the big names, institutional investors, hedge funds. They're all dipping their toes into the crypto waters. But here's the thing, the world of crypto is vast. It's not just about Bitcoin anymore. There are thousands of cryptocurrencies out there, each with its own unique technology and potential. So, how do you navigate this complex landscape? Well, that's where diversification comes in. Just like you wouldn't put all your eggs in one basket, you shouldn't put all your crypto in one coin. The ultra-rich understand this, and they often spread their investments across a range of cryptocurrencies, from established players like Ethereum to promising newcomers in the DeFi and NFT space. But it's not just about buying and holding. The savvy investors are also looking at other ways to capitalize on the crypto boom. They're investing in crypto startups, funding blockchain technology development, and even exploring the world of decentralized finance. Remember, the key to success in any investment is knowledge. Take the time to educate yourself, understand the risks, and don't be afraid to seek advice from financial experts who specialize in this space. The crypto world is constantly evolving, but with the right approach, it can offer significant opportunities for those willing to embrace the digital revolution. Now, let's be honest, who hasn't wished they had invested in Apple or Amazon back in the day? Well, the ultra-rich, they're always on the lookout for the next big thing, and they often find it in the world of disruptive technology. These are the companies that are completely changing the game, revolutionizing industries and shaping the future. Think about it. Artificial intelligence, biotechnology, renewable energy, these are the sectors that are attracting massive investments from the world's wealthiest individuals. They understand that backing these cutting-edge companies isn't just about making a profit. It's about being a part of something groundbreaking, something that has the potential to change the world. Take Peter Thiel, for example. He was an early investor in Facebook and Palantir, two companies that have had a profound impact on our lives. Or consider Elon Musk, who's not only revolutionizing the automotive industry with Tesla, but also pushing the boundaries of space exploration with SpaceX. But here's the catch. Investing in disruptive tech isn't for the faint of heart. It's a high-risk, high-reward game. Many startups fail, and even those that succeed can take years, even decades, to reach their full potential. So how do the ultra-rich mitigate this risk? Well, they often have access to exclusive investment opportunities that aren't available to the general public. They're able to get in on the ground floor of these startups, often through venture capital funds or angel investing networks. They also have a deep understanding of the tech landscape and a keen eye for identifying promising companies with the potential to disrupt entire industries. But it's not just about the money for these investors. It's about supporting innovation, driving progress, and leaving a lasting legacy. They see these investments as a way to shape the future and create a better world for generations to come. Now we're going to delve into a realm of investing that's often shrouded in secrecy, a world where fortunes are made and the stakes are high. I'm talking about private equity and venture capital, two investment strategies favored by the ultra-rich to access exclusive opportunities and potentially supercharge their returns. Imagine this, a company poised for explosive growth but not yet listed on the stock market. This is where private equity firms and venture capitalists step in, providing the capital these companies need to scale up, innovate, and disrupt industries. Think of it like this. Remember when Uber and Airbnb were just startups? Private equity and venture capital were there, fueling their growth long before they became household names. And when these companies eventually go public or get acquired, those early investors, they often reap the rewards. Now you might be thinking, Graham, this sounds like something only billionaires can access. And you wouldn't be entirely wrong. Traditionally, private equity and venture capital have been the playground of institutions and ultra-high net worth individuals. But here's the exciting part. The landscape is changing. There are now platforms emerging that are democratizing access to these exclusive investment opportunities, allowing individuals like you and me to potentially get a piece of the action. However, a word of caution, private equity and venture capital are inherently risky. These investments are illiquid, meaning it can be difficult to cash out quickly, and there's no guarantee of returns. But for those willing to embrace the risk, the potential rewards can be substantial. Let's talk real estate, but not just any real estate. We're talking about the kind of properties that grace the covers of architectural magazines, luxury real estate in some of the most dynamic and rapidly growing markets around the world. Think sleek high-rise condos overlooking the Dubai skyline, sprawling villas nestled along the beaches of Bali, or chic apartments in the heart of up-and-coming tech hubs like Bangalore. These aren't just homes, they're status symbols, investments, and gateways to global citizenship. The ultra-rich understand that real estate, especially in emerging markets, can be a powerful hedge against inflation and economic uncertainty. As these economies grow, so too does the demand for luxury living, driving up property values and creating opportunities for substantial returns. But it's not just about capital appreciation. Investing in luxury real estate can also provide a steady stream of passive income through rentals. Imagine owning a piece of paradise that generates income while you're off exploring the world. That's the kind of freedom and flexibility that attracts the ultra-wealthy to these markets. Now, I know what you're thinking, Graham. This sounds incredibly expensive. And you're right, investing in luxury real estate in emerging markets does require significant capital. But remember, it's not about timing the market, it's about time in the market. Even if you can't afford a penthouse in Dubai today, start small, think long-term, and gradually build your portfolio. Look for opportunities in up-and-coming neighborhoods, explore fractional ownership options, and consider partnering with other investors to pool resources. The key takeaway here is that the ultra-rich view real estate not just as a place to live, but as a strategic asset class that can generate income, appreciate in value, and diversify their portfolios. That wraps up our exploration of the hidden investment strategies of the ultra-rich. Remember, building wealth isn't just about earning a high income, it's about making smart investment decisions that align with your financial goals and risk tolerance. Whether you're drawn to the allure of fine art, the potential of cryptocurrencies, or the stability of real estate, the key is to educate yourself, diversify your portfolio, and never stop learning. The world of investing is constantly evolving, so stay curious, stay informed, and always be on the lookout for opportunities to grow your wealth. Thanks for joining me on this journey, and I'll see you in the next video.